So do you have a behavior that you want to work through and like get to the other side of?
Many, yes.
Or just choose one. Just fucking one. Let's go step by step here.
I don't know how to call it, but like it's either standing up for myself or saying what I mean in the moment rather than keeping it inside.
Do you have, and you don't need to say it out loud, but do you have a particular context where this has happened recently where you wish you could have done that?
Yes.
Okay, cool. And is there anyone you know that is not afraid to speak their mind? Like anyone in the world that you might know that will happily speak their mind all the time? Right.
Somebody.
Okay. So if that person, whoever that might be, was in that exact situation instead of you, can you close your eyes and imagine exactly how they would respond?
Yeah.
Right. And what is that person feeling? When you look at their body language, when you see their response, what's your first response, your gut reaction to how that person's feeling?
Confident.